Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is another day in Jeddah, and as you guys can see behind me, we have the Jeddah Fish Market. And if you look at the parking lot, you can see there are no parking spaces for cars. Like, it's so busy right now. And we'll go inside in a bit, but let me talk to you that just look at how amazing this market is. It's really smelly. That's just the thing that's the problem. Apart from that, you get the fish, really fresh. It's from the ocean, because on that side you got the Red Sea, so that's why it's okay. And as you guys can see, there are a lot of people like walking and then everything from that. And okay, I don't know what he just said. All right. Okay, so let's go inside and let's check out the fish market. Come with me. Yes, so right now we entered the fish market, and this is actually the starting point of the fish market. You can see that the whole market is covered in blue, so that it represents the ocean color or the sea color. That's blue. And there are fish inside that we will see in a bit, so let's go inside and let's check it out. Alright guys, we had our lunch, alhamdulillah, but right now we're at the beach and the view is amazing. I know my mic isn't that great, the sound isn't that good, it is buzzing, it's bad, I know, I'm sorry for that, but one thing I can show you guys is the view. Just look at it. The sun, just look at that. And apart from that, there are families like right around here, and also there's water, so there's sea, ocean, whatever you like to call, and it's really very beautiful out here. Oh my goodness, it's very, very windy, as you guys can see. My hair, I won't say about that, I need to cut it. I know, oh my goodness, what is that? I need to cut it. Oh my goodness. Alright, apart from that, we came here for fishing. There my family's setting up the what's that called, fishing rods, and then we'll catch some fish hopefully, but for now we're just chilling, we're just seeing the weather, enjoying, and that's the thing that we're doing right here. And then hopefully at night I have a surprise for you guys, but you will see that in the video, so not a surprise for you anymore. So keep waiting, and hopefully we will leave this place very soon. And yeah, let's go fast forward tonight. Yo, yes, right now we left the beach about, I don't know, a few hours earlier, and then we went straight to our hotel, and then from right there we freshened up, and then we came to Domino's to have our dinner. So we ordered the chicken ranch. It's actually very tasty, so we ordered that, and then we will have our dinner right here at Domino's, and then we will be heading over to the ship. So a little update, and yeah, our order is being prepared. So after that, see you on the other side. Guys, finished our dinner, and right now I'm at the place where I'm gonna show you something special about today's video. Is the yacht place. Actually, there are lots of yacht right here. How is it? Just say me, how is it? just look at this place. Like there are lots of. You can count as much as you want. You can go as much as you need to. You can see there are a lot, and yeah, there are announcements actually right here. Alright, right now we are just waiting for our boat to come. Sorry, our yacht to come. There are a lot of boats right here standing, parking, and we are actually waiting for our yacht, and then we will head over, and then I will show you our yacht that we're waiting for currently. But apart from that, I'm going to show you some pictures right here, here, and a clip right here. Alright, so these are the things that you need to see. Comment down below how is it. All right, let's just wait for our yacht, and then let's head over to our yacht. Okay, so guys, right now we just boarded the yacht. As you guys can see, my family, my father, and the whole family is out here in the crew. Then I got my big brothers over there, and that's where we will sit. And that's actually the driver's seat. Alright, that's the driver's seat, and now let me take you to the front where we will sit. It's actually on the top. So this is the place. Flashlight. It's really dark. It's really dark out here, and yeah, that's how you chill like a billionaire. But yeah, we poor. Thank you guys for watching today's vlog. Hope you guys liked it, and if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. We're almost very close to 500 subscribers, so hopefully this video will get a few hundred subscribers, and with that we'll be closing today's vlog, and see you in the next one.